Hi guys, welcome to Barbara's World here, and this is Anan. Anan is my special boy. He is on the autism spectrum. That is, just in case you're new here, I do our day-to-day life on this channel. Generally, our journey, how everything goes, but most of the time just sharing whatever goes on in the background, because it is really hard to record with him sometimes. Today I just thought I should include him in the beginning of this video because he's more settled and calm. Yeah, it is hard to get him like this. Yeah, very, very rare for me to talk for more than 3 minutes and he's not gotten up and he's just come like this. I just thank God. And then say hello to our lovely subscribers. Say I love you guys. Say I love you. Anywho guys, he's here and I'll let him be. He's not pushed me away. He normally pushes me away and he drives me out of the sitting room when I come near him with the camera. But today he's been a good boy. Give mommy a kiss. Give mommy a kiss. Good boy. Mwah. I give it back to you. Love you. Bye-bye. Sorry guys, I thought I was recording at first, but I missed it. So I was just taking you through the ingredients which I'm going to make my tea out of. So it's already in the pot. I don't know if you're gonna see, but I have bay leaves in there, rosemary which I air dried myself and harvested right from my garden. I have grounded cinnamon in there. I normally love to use sticks, but I don't have sticks, so I use the cinnamon powder instead. I have dry ginger which is ground. I also love to use fresh ginger, and then I have 3 pieces of cloves in there. I have jeera, I have fennel seeds in there as well. Lastly, I'm gonna add hibiscus as well, but before I do that, I love rinsing my hibiscus before using it, so that's what I'm going to do now. So our hibiscus is beautifully rinsed. I'll go in with it. Yeah, just like so, and then I'll bring everything to a boil. One more thing that I have to add into this tea is lemon. You let it boil together with everything else, but I don't like that. I add my lemon after the tea has boiled, so with me the lemon is added separately. I'll bring it to a boil. So guys, as our tea cooks, I'll go ahead and prep our chicken here because I want to make chicken stew. I want to add a lot of tomatoes and all that. I steamed it last evening because I knew in the morning I had nothing to give Anan, but when steaming it in instances like this one, I steam it with garlic, salt, a little bit of hot green peppers and a whole onion just for flavor, and then later I'll take out that onion and peppers and grate it. I'll grate it together with the fresh tomatoes so that I don't lose out on all the flavors, right? Back to our tea. It is ready. It doesn't have to overboil, guys. So I'm gonna turn this down, and here, this is when I go in with my lemon. Yes, this is how I love it. And in fact, I even consume that lemon. I don't throw it away, I consume it. And also I'll add more juices of lemon in this tea. You can sweeten this tea with sugar or honey, okay? So that's how I do it, and I still get the same benefits. I normally take this tea on an empty stomach in the morning, yeah, because it helps with losing weight as well, and also has so many other benefits which I will not go into right now. So guys, I'm gonna sip my tea while working on my chicken stew. I'll go ahead and chop all the ingredients that I need to use in this recipe. And here we go, guys. Just keep tuned in until the end. All right, thank you. Ooh, no way. I have messed up, guys. Let me bring a can opener. Sit down. This feels forever. Yeah, my can opener, which I love, was in the sitting room. It opens bottles as well. So here we go. I was just trying to open how does it work, guys? Have I forgotten? Barbara, come on. Yes, this is it. This is not working. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Okay. Let's see what this one does. Okay, guys, let me do this first. Yeah. This has a can opener on it, but it broke and then I got stuck. Yeah, I didn't like the experience, and both my openers didn't work. So this is what I do with my tomato puree. Okay, so I'll put this away. Once open, I keep it in the fridge. Yeah, let me show you what I do with this. I just dilute it a little bit with water. Don't ask me why. This is how I like it. I've blended fresh tomatoes here, and now this is the tomato puree. I'm going to use it all in my cooking. Yes. And guys, while I was doing this video, I had a call from a friend, so I was recording while talking to my friend. If there is any mistakes, just bear with me. Yeah, so I just want it like that. This is the consistency. Yeah, perfect. So once that is done, I'll put aside. My kitchen is very tiny, so bear with me. This is the oil which I'm going to use, olive oil. And here is all the seasonings that I need to use, and then I have my garlic paste over there, fresh tomatoes which I have just blended. Yes, and then the puree, and then oil, and then chopped onions and red pepsicans. I think that's all. So these are our mixed vegetables, which I'm going to add into our chicken. Let the cooking begin. The carers are even about to come. So today I'm using a different pot altogether, guys. I've used aluminum so much, and this is one of my favorite pots in this house, but I love aluminum the most. Yeah, the way this one cooks rice or whatever is different from the way aluminum does, so I prefer my aluminum. Yes, so I'll go in with the that's enough. So basically I'm just going to saute the vegetables and add our chicken, and that will be it. Yes. The carers are here. Carers are here. Guys, this video has been a very huge challenge for me. It hasn't been smooth. The carers are here. Yes, Anan is not going through his best time, so I'll go in with the garlic. He's not going through a very good time, so they just come and attend to him at home. You know, I cannot record that here, so but I'm here with them. They're already out, and yeah, let us mind our business and cook. At least someone is watching him now. In fact, that is also another hindrance. When I'm with Anan, everything is slow, very, very slow. So I'll go in with the tomato paste. Yes, you see guys, it's burning a little bit at the bottom. with aluminum pots, that doesn't happen. So after adding the fresh tomatoes in, I'll go in with all the seasoning. That is paprika, no cubes again, black pepper there, turmeric. Today I don't have cumin. That is so heartbreaking. Yeah, so at this point I'll add all the vegetables in as well and then let it cook. Yeah. So I'll let it cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. I'm multitasking here. Ooh. So guys, our lunch is ready. That's basically what I wanted to do. It's still 11 o'clock right now. Yeah, I don't want to make spills, but that is how it looks like. That is how our stew looks like. So we are going to wait for lunchtime and then we'll just dish out and eat. This is how I do my things. I have a breather, guys. They just took him outside. They were here for a bit, maybe like 30 minutes. Now they've gone outside. Yeah, they've taken him out. And oh my God. It feels weird for the carers to be around the home. Yeah, but I have no problem with that. It's also a good thing because I know someone is with him. Imagine, I've been struggling since morning, cooking while checking on him, cooking while you're on and off, on and off, on and off. You cut the onions, go check on him. You do this, go check on him. And plus I was talking to a friend on phone, so everything was slow. But when the carers came, yeah, all was fine. I did the cooking and they've just gone out. That's how I do my thing, guys. It's just let me see. Yeah, it's 12:10. We always have our lunch around 1. Yeah, around 1 o'clock. So I've already cooked, and that's how I do my thing, guys. I cook way before time because I don't want to struggle. I really don't want to struggle because I know what I'm going through. So I prepare everything before time. Yes, let's check on these tomatoes. In fact, I used these tomatoes to cook today. I harvested some yesterday. They're so tiny, they're not doing well, but yeah, at least I get to enjoy the work of my hands. Yes, I get to enjoy the work of my hands, guys. But anywho, this marks the end of our video, and thank you all so much for always coming back to support Barbara's World. I do really appreciate. Feel at home. This is home for you. Yay! And with that being said, let me enjoy the rest of my little bit time left before Anan comes back. Okay, I love you all and see you on my next. Bye.